Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I made to my Daycare Business Plan template for 2024 using artificial intelligence. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give y'all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive in and I'll share with y'all some of the updates that I made to the business plan template for my daycare. And I'll show you in what segments I also use artificial intelligence and so on. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made to my daycare business plan template is I added a placeholder for your logo. So the title page now looks at the top. You'll see where it says daycare right here in yellow. And right here, what you can do is you can go ahead and just delete that information and put your company name. And then right underneath of it is a placeholder for your logo. And again, you can just delete that placeholder and go ahead and put your logo right underneath your name. Or if you want, you can go ahead and keep this logo and use it completely up to you. But at least for this version, the 2020 version of my template, you now have more customization or more opportunities to customize your title page as compared to previous versions. The second update that I made to the Daycare Business Plan template is I added more descriptions to the services description section of the business plan template. So now what y'all can do is you can go ahead and modify a toddler section, a preschool section, as well as an after school section. So it gives you not only a great starting point for each one of the sections, but if you only do toddlers and preschool, then you can just go ahead and delete the after school program. So again, a lot of flexibility and a lot of opportunities for y'all to be creative when constructing your services description section for your daycare business plan template. The final area that I updated was the industry research. So as we all know, having up to date industry research for the daycare and daycare business plan is critical. The reader is going to want to have up to date information. So what I did is I obtained obtained the report from IBIS World. That's the that's the company that I used for all my industry research. I obtained their most up to date daycare industry business research, and I went through it and I extrapolated important pieces of information for me to go ahead and put into the daycare business plan template and have it updated for 2024. Some of the areas that I updated were the revenues, historical growth, projected growth, profits, wages, and number of businesses. So now the industry research section is, like I said, again, up to date for 2024. All right, so that is it. So let's go ahead and wrap it up, sum it up, and we shall then call it a day. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.